Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and finally I'm here with my first ever haul video of my YouTube channel. It is none other than a Sarojini Nagar haul video. It used to be one of my favorite haul videos. I always used to look forward with the YouTubers doing those Sarojini Nagar haul videos. I always wanted to explore that Sarojini Nagar, but didn't got a chance as I don't stay nearby to Delhi. So finally this time I got a chance and I actually did a lot of shopping, and hands down guys, this is one of my favorite street shopping place, I would definitely say. Compared to other street shopping I've actually been done. So finally I found where too much of clothes with very cheap pricing. Actually you have to look for some of the pieces, they may be defected or something. I have found few of the pieces, so finally I didn't bought them, but there was few pieces buttons were being broken or something, so I could have fixed it. So actually I bought it, and even I got it even more reasonable price, and I have bought the prices even down due to that, and actually I can just fix the button anyhow. So here you go. This video may get super lengthy, so finally I thought I would divide it into two. So one would be for Western and another one would be for a kind of Indian or some kind of shrugs or something, long gowns or something which could be Indo-Western kind of stuff. So that would be in my Indian clothing wear. So finally here you go. I'm gonna show you my first pick from the Sarojini Nagar haul, and here it is. It's a black t-shirt, kind of a sweater, but actually not even a sweater. It's like light, not so thick, just like a sweater. It got long sleeves and it's a V-neck. Staying in Mumbai इतना काफ़ी हो जाता है as compared to Delhi. यहाँ पे इतनी ठंड नहीं है, so दिन में तुम्हें गर्मी होती है and रात को थोड़ी बहुत हल्की ठंडी होती है. And guess what, I just got this for ₹30. Yes guys, it's just for ₹30. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको लगेगा कि ये शायद पुराना पीस है, बट एक्चुअली नहीं है, बिकॉज मेरे हाथ से ये थोड़ा सा ये टोन हो चुका था, एंड रेस्ट मेरे बच्चे के हाथ में लग गया एंड आई डिड द होल थिंग एज यू कैन सी. बट ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स वर्थ द पीस. इट्स जस्ट फॉर ₹30, एंड दिस वॉज एक्चुअली माई फर्स्ट बाय फ्रॉम द सरोजनी नगर. मैंने इसे बहुत देख कर लिया था. I'll show you my second piece, and it's a very nice sweater. I was actually looking for a very long time a nice sweater in polo neck, and finally I got it. I love the whole texture and everything. The color is very nice. Even my mom and my sister and all, they can wear it. It's a nice skin color. You can just wear it on a jeans or anything, you know. It's definitely gonna keep you very warm. I'm like, I know मुंबई के हिसाब से मुझे ये बिल्कुल काम नहीं आएगा, but I really loved it. It did just cost me ₹60 around, and it was really worth for it. If I go some place जहाँ पे बहुत ठंडी हो, तो finally मैं वसूल कर पाऊँगी इसे. I'm gonna show you my another pick. It's a nice white color one. It's a nice long shrug, long sleeves, and kind of, I could say, a cardigan or something. I don't know exactly what it's been said. Do let me know in the comment section below. I really loved it. You can just wear it even if it's not been winter or something. You can go to any movie or something, you can definitely wear it. The material is so soft. I wish you all could feel the material, because it's literally very nice quality one. And even this is for rupees, I guess 80 or something. And next I got is the cap. It was just for ₹40. I'm like, yeah, I know Mumbai में ये सब बहुत ज़रूरी बिल्कुल नहीं होता है, but yeah, if you go out somewhere जहाँ पे बहुत ठंड है and all, you can definitely use it, and it looks pretty cool. Because मुंबई में इतना cheap मिलना, it's definitely next to impossible. So yeah, I really loved it. प्राइस यू नो मेरे बार्गेनिंग स्किल्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे हो गए हैं. आई मीन लाइक सरोजनी नगर को देख के पीपल हाउ दे डू द बार्गेनिंग एंड ऑल.
My next pick is definitely very nice product. I literally loved it. It's a nice cardigan जिसमें actually side में मतलब it's just open like sleeves के लिए कुछ ऐसा सिलाई या कुछ दी नहीं है जहाँ पे आप proper sleeves या कुछ बोल सको. But it's really definitely very nice. It's a versatile one. आप इसको बहुत अलग अलग तरीक़ों से स्टाइल कर सकते हैं. And if you want to know how you can style it in different ways, do let me know in the comment section below. It's really very pretty. It's ombre. I was definitely wishing one for. It's pretty nice, stretchy material and everything. It's a real steel, guys, and I just got that for rupees, I guess 50 or 60 something. I don't remember exactly, but it was almost around that. And here comes my show stealer of all the products I got from Sarojini Nagar, this jacket. जैकेट का प्राइस भैया ने काफ़ी हाई बताया था, बट फाइनली आई मैनेज सम हाउ टू पुल डाउन द प्राइसेस. मैंने फाइनली उन्होंने कुछ शायद मुझे 550 अराउंड कुछ बोला था, एंड फाइनली आई बॉट हिम टू अराउंड 300 to 250 समथिंग. वो लाइक ही वॉजंट गोइंग डाउन मोर देन दैट. सो इट्स बीन सेड कि वहाँ पे काफ़ी देखना पड़ता है. सो फाइनली मैंने कुछ बटन्स देखे थे जो डिफेक्टेड थे. इट वॉज़ वेरी नॉर्मल, जो मैं ईज़िली फ़िक्स कर सकती हूँ, एंड ये बटन्स कहीं पे भी अवेलेबल हैं एंड काफ़ी चीप में यू कुड फाइंड इट. सो आई सम हाउ मैनेज टू गेट इट इन ₹70. येस गाइस, ओनली एंड ओनली फॉर ₹70. मैंने काफ़ी सारे पीसेस उनसे लिए थे. सो फाइनली मुझे सम हाउ आफ्टर बार्गेनिंग सो मच मुझे ₹70 में पड़ा, एंड इट्स अ रियल शो स्टीलर. As I said, I don't know where I'm gonna wear all this, but definitely I will. मैं कहीं ना कहीं इसे यूज़ कर ही लूँगी. एंड मुंबई में ये सब काफ़ी चीप बिल्कुल नहीं मिलता. इट्स वेरी कॉस्टली. माई नेक्स्ट बाय इज़ स्कर्ट. I love the overall print and everything. It's quite nice. Going out with friends or anything, can just wear it. It got into 3 layers or something, and थोड़ा उसका घेर बढ़ रहा है, but it's not very flowy. It's a nice casual wear, and it's from a brand only. Yes guys, it's a brand from only. मैंने बहुत वीडियोस देखे जहाँ पे यूट्यूबर्स बोलते हैं कि आपको काफ़ी सारे ब्रांडेड कपड़े भी वहाँ पे मिल जाते हैं, and yes, it's true, I got it, and I got this for ₹60. My next pick is, and it is the most beautiful one. It's a top, and I literally loved it. It's a kind of a crop top. It's a nice embroidered one. धागे का काम किया है. It's a machine work. Those light colors and everything, it's looking popping up, and it's looking very pretty. It got 3 buttons from the back side, and chun है पीछे. You can see the design and everything. It's very beautiful. I literally loved it. Definitely gonna wear this most of the time. And it was for ₹60, I guess. Yeah, not more than that. I'm gonna show you the next pic. It is actually a very nice and beautiful bandhani kind of design or something, I could say. It's a maxi skirt, and actually it wasn't a maxi skirt, it was a romper before. यहाँ पे actually नीचे ऊपर और नीचे है, यहाँ पे actually सिलाई थी. It was a whole one piece. I didn't like much in that way, so मैंने उसकी सिलाई निकाली and I just converted into a maxi dress, and I pretty much like it right now. You can see shoulder strap, आप उसे adjust कर सकते हैं the way you like it. Overall, it's pretty much flowy and everything. I literally loved it. Going out for beach or anything, poolside party or something, you can definitely wear it. It was for ₹40, guys. I literally loved it. Style it in many different ways, and I'm definitely gonna show you. I hope you have pressed the bell icon. I even got a shirt. This is actually of ombre. I literally loved it. It got little bit of detailing on the back side. You can even wear it as a jacket, you know, on under a nice tank top or full sleeves kind of a t-shirt or something. I just got for rupees 55. Yes, guys. I really loved it, and I hope you have pressed the bell icon. Soon part 2 of the Sarojini Nagar is about to come, so stay tuned for it. It's gonna be all about Indian wear. Few pieces I couldn't found which I bought from Sarojini Nagar. I hope whenever I found it and I style it, I'll do let you know in the in the video. And please do subscribe, share, like, press the bell icon and everything, and be happy. Stay happy. Bye bye.